Contrary to popular belief, not everyone needs a term plan or a life insurance. Before that, let's understand what exactly is term insurance. So, this is basically when you know more, you face an early death. So, the proceeds received from the insurance company can be used to take care of the financial responsibilities of your dependents, like take care of your spouse's monthly living expenses, your kids' education expenses, or take care of expenses of your dependent parents. But does everyone need life insurance? Definitely no. There are some scenarios when you don't need it. Number one is if you're single with no dependents, with no worry to with no one to worry about their financial well-being. Dependent parents, no spouse, no kids. You'd rather skip the life insurance, spend that money, and of course invest some of it for your own future. The second scenario is when you have accumulated enough wealth to take care of the financial responsibilities of your dependents. So, for example, you have enough savings or investments in the form of your assets to take care of the financial responsibilities of your kids' education, your retirement planning, all of that. When should you must buy life insurance is when you have dependents who are dependent on your future income for their expenses. So for example, your spouse is dependent on your regular income to take care of a monthly living expenses. Your kids are dependent on your future income to sponsor their college fees, marriage fees. In that scenario, it is a must to buy a life insurance. Now, if you are actually falling in that category that you must buy a life insurance, number one is buy as soon as possible, because the earlier you buy, the life insurance policy is cheaper. Number two, make sure the sum insured is 10 times of your annual income. A lot of people tend to, forget this rule, but this is really important. And make sure, as and when your annual income increases, keep increasing your sum insured.